start with browning your beef, breaking it up as you cook. You're going to add your onion and your garlic. Add in your cream of mushroom soup, your frozen vegetables, salt, pepper, smoked paprika, your parsley, and your beef broth. Now hit it with a couple of tablespoons of your W sauce. Add 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Add your beef mixture and spread this out evenly. Get out your favorite mixing bowl. Add your cheddar bay biscuit mix. 2 cups of milk. 1 cup of shredded cheddar. Dried parsley. And this garlic butter. Just a little. Preheat your oven to 375, and then you're going to spread your biscuit mixture evenly over your beef mixture. You're going to bake this until it is golden brown and bubbly. Melt some butter, and then add that seasoning packet that came with the box of biscuit mix, and give that a mix. Add some additional dried parsley, because we're fancy. Now take that garlic butter and spread it all over the top of your cobbler. Ooh, baby. Serve it over some garlic toast and potatoes. Wash them. Ton of garlic, like 3 heaping tablespoons. 1 packet of Dano's onion dip, just straight in. 1/4 cup of your favorite creamy Italian dressing. 1 cup of beef stock, that's your favorite mixing bowl, and 2 pounds of stew meat. You're going to season it with Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Now hit that beef with some Worcestershire sauce, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons, however much you like. 1 packet of the zesty Italian salad dressing mix. Get out your glove. Toss to mix with your hand. Beef goes on top of the potatoes. We don't mix it though, just put it on there. 1 stick of unsalted butter just to the top. Cover, cook on high, cook on low, doesn't matter. Just cook till the beef is tender and the potatoes are Gordon Ramsay pork tender approved. Garlic butter beef, so good. Go on and make your plate, baby. Woo, baby. This is going to be a good one. Add your chicken to a hot pan and you're going to sear both sides 2 to 3 minutes. We're just trying to get some color and some flavor on these bad boys. Remove the chicken, let it rest for 5 minutes, and then cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. To a baking dish, you're going to add your Feta block and your Boursin cheese right in the middle. Now you're going to add in 10 ounces of cherry tomatoes that you sliced. Salt to the tomatoes. Pepper to the feta and to the tomatoes. Some garlic cloves, 6 of them. Add your seared, seasoned chicken, and then you're going to drizzle olive oil all over everybody. Now you're going to bake this at 400 for 30 minutes. Cook the pasta al dente, according to the package. When your tomatoes are practically bursting and your chicken is done, take a spoon and you're going to break up your cheese. And you add your pasta. Top this with some freshly chopped basil and some freshly grated Parmesan. Bring 4 cups of water to a rapid boil. 3 cloves of garlic, 1 white onion, 2 serrano peppers, and 3 Roma tomatoes. You're going to let this cook until the tomatoes are soft. And then add them to a blender. To this, you're going to add kosher salt, cumin, lid it, and then we're going to puree it till it's smooth. Start with 4 yellow Yukon potatoes whole. Wash them, pat them dry, and then take some vegetable oil, and you're going to bake these in the oven uncovered at 450 for 1 hour, and then cube them up. You're going to fry your potatoes until they're crispy, 7-8 minutes. Remove the potatoes, drain them on paper towels, and then add your chorizo. You're going to cook this and crumble it until it is brown. Add onion and jalapeno, give it a mix, and you're gonna cook this until the onions are soft. 2 to 3 minutes. Add your potatoes. Give this a mix. Beat up some eggs. You're gonna stir to combine and cook until the eggs are completely done. Cook away. Last but not least, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro. Give it another mix. Heaping spoonful of our breakfast salsa. That'll do it. Ooh, look at this. Let's go make it. Get out your favorite mixing bowl, and to it you're gonna add cream of mushroom soup, can of Rotel, this Rotel, the Mexican lime and cilantro one. 1 cup of green enchilada sauce and 1 cup of red enchilada sauce. Diced jalapeno, diced purple onion, black olives. Don't judge. 2 heaping tablespoons of sour cream makes it creamy. Freshly chopped green chilies straight from the garden. 1 packet of your favorite chicken taco seasoning, and then a few additional seasonings. Add your shredded chicken, 1.5 cups of freshly grated cheese using Monterey Jack. Now you're going to give this a mix until it is creamy and everybody is coated. Mix away. Kindly go preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Get out your favorite 9x13 baking dish, and to it you're going to add a tablespoon of red enchilada sauce, a tablespoon of green enchilada sauce, and you're going to spread that out evenly. Then it's a layer of white corn tortillas to the bottom of that, slightly overlapping each other, and then your chicken mixture. Spread it out evenly. And then a thin sprinkle of cheese. Repeat. End with tortillas, and then add 2 tablespoons or so of the red enchilada sauce or the green enchilada sauce. That'll keep your tortillas from drying out while they're baking. To this, you're going to add more cheese. Then you're going to cover with foil, and you're going to put her in the oven and bake her for 30 minutes. Take her out, uncover, and you're going to add about 1.5 cups of crushed nacho cheese Doritos. And then optional, but highly recommended by me, more cheese to the top, and then back into the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. A little squeeze of lime to wake everybody up. And a few green onions to the top, because you know, we fancy like that. Let this sit 10-15 minutes before you go digging into it, or you're going to have a runny casserole. Go ahead and make your plate, baby. So good. Large skillet, medium heat, 2 pounds of ground venison. You're going to cook and crumble the deer meat until it is no longer pink. 6 to 8 minutes. When the deer meat's browned, remove it, set it to the side. To the same pan, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, and 1 yellow onion that's been diced. And you're going to cook this 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Sprinkle over 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Slowly stir in 2 cups of beef broth, and you're going to cook this 2 to 3 minutes. It'll help thicken the sauce. Reduce your heat to medium-low, and now we season. Tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and all these seasonings listed to the side. Add them in, give it a mix. Cook 12 ounces of egg noodles according to the package. Add the deer meat back to the pan, give it a mix, and you're going to simmer for an additional 15 more minutes. Turn the heat off. Slowly stir in 1/2 cup of sour cream. Do not boil it. Just stir it in. Garnish with a few green onions and some freshly chopped parsley. Go on ahead and make your plate, baby. So good.